This is how to create assignments on Google Classroom. First, launch a web browser. As your Google Chrome web browser opens, visit classroom.google.com and log in. You can see the web link here. Once you log in successfully, you will see the classes you have created already. Okay, if you don't have any class already created, please do that because it's from there that you will give assignment. All right. Then here, I want to work with this one, basic MS Word. I'll click on the assignment on the class. Okay, sorry. Now, once the class opens, you will have an interface that looks like this. Click on classwork. On clicking on classwork, select create. Then you are provided with some options: assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post, and topic. So here, let's go straight to assignment. I will click on this. Okay, so here it says I should give it a name. Okay, the title I gave this assignment is Fundamental MS Word Assignment. So this is required, so you must add it. And here, this section, it says instructions, but it's optional. So if you have any instruction to give, you can put it here. So I have instruction to give. So I'll click here. I have it as do this assignment. So now you can make it bold or format it any way you want to format it. Okay, but here, let's just keep it simple. Then here, you have Drive, you have YouTube, you have Create, you have Upload, you have Link. If the assignment is already in your Google Drive, select this option, pick the file from Drive. If it's a YouTube video you want to add, then click on this, pick the video, add it as an assignment. They have to answer the question, okay? Or do anything you want them to do in the assignment. Maybe it's an instruction on how to do a particular thing, all right? Then here is create. When you click on create, you see some options. Maybe you want to create doc from here, which you are going to add as attachment here. You can do that and you're good to go from there. Then slides, we have sheets, we have drawings, and we have forms and video as well. So this is a new feature. Okay, that's why I have it as vids. It's a new feature. So once you create a video to talk to them about the assignment, just follow this. All right, then uploads allows you to upload the file you have already created as an assignment. All right, so when you click on it, you upload it and you're going to submit it for them to do what? To do the assignment. Then you have link. Maybe you have a link. Maybe the assignment is on a particular website. I have the link already. Once you click on link, add it. Once they click on the link, they will be able to do the assignment, okay, and submit to you from their own end. So here we're going to work with the upload option, and I like using Microsoft Word. So there is an assignment I will create in Word, which from there I'll upload it here. So let's get to Word. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on my word processor. I'll click on new blank document. So I will fill the assignment here, which I will have as attachment at the end. So I'll make all these question 1, question 2, question 3 to 5 bold, and after that I will save this. Here I'm done with the formatting. I will click on File, select Save As, then Browse, and let it be in a document. So let's call this Classroom Assignment. So once you're done giving it a name, just click on Save. All right, so as we said before, we need to attach this. So I'll click on Upload. I will select Browse. Then I'll get to the Documents folder, which is where I saved that. I called it Word Classroom Assignment. So I'll get to it. So look at it here. I'll click on it and click on Open. Okay, so this has been attached. So once it's attached, take a look by the side here. Okay, this is going to be assigned to all the students. All right, if you have a lot of students and there are some students you don't want to partake in this assignment, please click on this. All right, and then uncheck any person you don't want to participate. But here I have only one student, so it's checked. I'll click on Done. So here points, 100 points is assigned. That's the total number of points. Since I have 5 questions, that means each question is going to be 20 marks. But if you don't want to grade that, maybe you want to give the point manually on your own, click on this drop down and select Unmarked. All right, you're good. Then here you have due dates. Maybe you want to assign the date this will expire. Click here and select the date. So let me select the date. I don't want it to do the assignment forever. Today is 18, so I expect it to submit it tomorrow, and I'll click on OK. And if maybe you want to assign time, this is 23:59 is okay. I'm fine with that. So I'll click on top. So that means by tomorrow, 23:59, this will expire. And here it says close submissions after due date. I'll check this box because I want them to be serious with this. Okay, topic. No topics is selected. I've not created anyone, so I'm okay with this. Let's leave it this way. So once you're okay with the setup you have here, the next step is to click on assign. So these my students will get this assignment straight in their email. And once they check, they will get to their own Google Classroom account and then submit once they finish answering the questions or doing the assignment, okay? I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. A product is displayed on this screen is one of my products. So when you click and buy, you are supporting this channel. When you get to my store, you can still check other products. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.